Hello and welcome everyone to our Facebook page. Today we will demonstrate in this video how to make different crafts using some different color fruit covers. So at first we are making some flower with the fruit cover. Next we'll make different kind of flower. You can see one of them is kept on the table. After cutting it, we will add the stem and you can see the flower is ready. Now we will take a circular shape fruit cover and we'll make a earthworm with it. Now we will use a piece of bottle and we will paste some fruit cover like thread and we'll make a vase with it. You can see how beautiful the basket is looking now. Next we will cut the fruit cover from between and next from the bottom you can see how we are removing it thread by thread. Now we will add a sellotape with it and now we'll paste both the ends with each other. Next after pasting it we will complete the ends and next we will make some round balls of it and we have made a flower. You can see we have also made the stem and some leaf. You can see how beautiful a flower looking now. Now we are using different color fruit covers and we are cutting it in a diamond shape and we are pasting it with each other. We are making a fish out of it. You can see how we have made the eyes and the face of the fish. Next again we are using a yellow color fruit cover and we have cutted it. Next we will take a pink color fruit cover to make a sunflower with it. You can see we have also added the face and we have made the bouquet. Now we are taking a yellow color fruit cover and we are cutting it in the round shape and we have made a flower out of it. Now we'll paste it with the balloon to give it a vase shape and next we will add the lights to make it a lamp. Now we are using a jar and we are rolling it with a rope and next we will use the fruit cover and we will cut it in the circular shape. You can see how beautiful looking now. In the next craft we will cut the fruit cover. You can see how we will make a face and you can say it is a lamp now and how beautiful it is looking. Now we are making a panda with it. You can see how easy it was to make and this is completed. Now we will use a pink color fruit cover and we'll make a flower out of it and we'll paste it with the stem and you can see we have made the autumn season plants. Next we are using some yellow color fruit covers and we have burned it to make a different kind of flower and now we will use the green paper to make the leaf and stem of the flower. Now we'll paste it with the black cover to make the bouquet. Now again we are using a different color fruit cover and we are making a different kind of flower. Now we'll use a green color paper to make a beautiful flower. Now again we are using a pink color fruit cover to make it a circular shape and we'll paste it with each other to make a different kind of flower and you can see again we have rolled it with a bouquet and how beautiful it is looking. Now we are cutting a bottle into pieces and we have rolled it with the fruit cover to make a beautiful bunny shaped pencil stand and how beautiful it is looking. Thank you very much for watching the video.